Second road, central, VTSIX, parking underneath. VTSIX, central's right here. That's right next door. It's about 1,000 rooms in there. Underneath there's the parking. Second road in front of us. Yeah, this place is huge. Massage shops, taxi services. Coffee shop. Right, so I've just arrived at the VTSIX Hotel. It's on the second road, next to Central Hotel, Central Plaza in Pattaya Beach, Pattaya. Right, let's go have a look. That's card access. Walk in. Check out the bathroom. Toilet, bum gun, bum gun. Wow, got all the amenities here. Oh, this is on the Goda. I'm liking it so far. And good sized fridge freezer. Awesome. Okay, it's got a cooktop, electric, 2 microwave. Fully self-contained apartment. Everything you need. Best thing about this, it's got a toast sandwich press. Pots and pans. It's great, I can cook in here. It's got a washing machine. Okay, it's got a kettle, it's got a toaster. Lounge room, separate from the bathroom, bedroom, which is good. Got an office space, TV, fan. It's got a bed, what is it? Nice and firm. Wow, it's got a fan in the bedroom. You don't see that much. It's also got aircon in the bedroom and also an aircon in the lounge. Best thing about this, you're not wasting electricity by having to have to cool the whole room down. All right, let's have a look at the side. It's got another TV in here. Ironing board, 2 irons. It's got a room safe, drawers. It's got a quilt if you need it. An office space here. Really good. I'm liking this. I'm only going to stay here 3 days, but I might extend. So I really like it. Balcony. Couple of space out here. Look at that fantastic view. There's the beach. Okay, just so you know where we are tonight, Pattaya Night Bazaar. Tree Town is right there. Sopical is just there. That's the McDonald's on Sopical, you can just see it. The Edge condos, I've done a video on there. The Pattaya sign, let's see if I can zoom up into it. Right there. Yeah, great little apartment. An empty lot next to it. Alright, let me know what you think. I'll do a video on all the amenities downstairs. It has like shops and washing and massage parlours and everything downstairs. It's like a whole little community within inside. Alright, I'll put a link and let you know the exact spot. Alright, let's go check out the rest of the place. They've got supermarkets, everything. So along here is condominium rental places, shops, supermarkets, washing places, ironing, everything in there. I'm just walking out towards the water. Sorry, the pool. So you tap access to get out to the pool. Yeah, so inside the condominiums, bottom floor, got everything. Shops, place to do your laundry, beaches. This is the pool. It's a bit old, but really good. That's Central Plaza and the Hilton right there. Really good. So spent the first night in the hotel. You see by the room, it's pretty good. It's about $90. I'm paying about $90 a night for that room. It's more. You get a cheaper room for about $30 less, but you don't have the kitchen, everything else that goes with it. But a good night's sleep. Didn't need to use the aircon that much because the it's actually pretty cool in the room, even though it's freaking hot outside. Overall, it's a really good room. Had a good night's sleep. No noise, even though it's in the middle of the downtown district of Pattaya, right off Second Road, right next to Central and the Hilton. The Central is right here, and the Hilton's is part of it. Beach Road is just over there, and the walking street's over there, the sweep of cows over there. You can actually see the beach, and you can see Tree Town from the apartment balcony. Anyway, I'm going to sign off here. Great place.